And that's why I always encourage you with the stock market. You can do ETFs or you can do index funds. Index funds, that's the one piece in the stock market where you can buy fractional shares or whatever dollar amount, even change 21.50. But this will allow you to continually keep that habit going of saving when it's most pressing. And the fact is, when you're beginning to save, the best thing you could do is not put yourself in a position of, hey, I don't have enough to buy. Well, you do. If you got a dollar, if you got some change in your pocket, if you got something left over, buy right away. When I was trying to really increase my savings rate last year, that was one strategy that I will tell you really catapulted. So I may make a purchase and I'll get $5, $10 back above what I normally was investing in a month. But those extra amounts that every time I got money back or every time I had extra, I was just throwing it in there. That doubled, nearly doubled what I invested for the year just because of the frequency. And you got to think